Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make YouTube thumbnails by just using an AI. Yes, this is the ideogram AI from which you can make YouTube thumbnails just by using AI. But how you have to upload your image in this AI videos? Like suppose I have made things like you can say these type of images using this AI. You can check I made these type of, but I want to add my own face in that thumbnails. Okay, so how can I do this? Let's start. Okay, first you have what you have to do to make these type of AI. What let me show you. First you go to this ChatGPT. Okay, right here the title of your video what on which you are going to make. Okay, a thumbnail. Write attractive prompt. Okay, PROMPT prompt to create a YouTube thumbnail for my video. Title है and the title is how to make uh no how to generate audios using AI. Okay, this is the title of my video, and what I'm going to do, I will click on this option. It will give me the amazing prompt here. What you have to do, just copy this prompt and go to this website ideogram. Okay, copy this, and after that what you have to do, go to this website, click on this option, paste here, and whatever you want to select, realistic design, 3D, anime, you can also check. Okay, and select the option 16:9 from here, and you can also change the color palettes from there. Okay, and after that click on generate, or you can also select auto option from there. Okay, but what I'm going to do is click on generate. It will take your 2 credits. It gives credits every day, so no need to take care about it. Okay, let's see what it does, what it's going to create. Wait in the queue. Now, another thing while it's going on, go to this website named Vista Create. Okay, Vista Create. You got the option here to remove the background from your photo. Okay, so after that, what you have to do, click on New Design. Click on Vista New Design, then select here. Don't select YouTube thumbnail. Select YouTube banner because it has high pixels. 25601440. It's a 2K. Okay, select this option to make a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, then what you have to do, just after I'm gonna upload my image from there. Okay, but I have to select this option. Okay, I'm gonna upload this image, and I will click on remove background. It will remove the background of my image. Let's see what it creates. It takes some, oh, it's generated. So here we have the, where we got how to generate using AI powered audio. You can see the 4 options here, and if you don't like any of them, then you can also make again by just clicking on auto option, or you can also click on magic prompt option. Okay, here you can see how to generate audios using easy audio creation. I think I should select the this one because it has a good text here. Okay, I will click on save image as, then I will select the path and save. Now what I have to do, I have the image. Now I'm gonna upload it. You can see here in the Vista Create you can remove the background. So I could remove the background from there. Then after that I will select on the upload option, and I will upload my thumbnail here, which I have made from here. Okay, select this thumbnail, click on open. If this problem came, what you have to do, here you can see the format of this is Chrome HTML document. So what I have to do, if you have Windows 11, just select open with, click on photos, click on edits. Okay, now click on save option, save as copy. You can see it's going to be saved in the JPG format. Okay, name it, select and save. Okay, now again click on upload image, and then select this double image. Here you will see my image. All right, so I select this image, then after that I'll make it bring send to the back, or I can also set as background here. Okay, now I have that image and you can also make like this. So here you can see I also put my image and as well as the background, the whole AI generated thumbnail in just few seconds. You can also see this, and you can also create other thumbnails by just typing the prompt from there and go to the ideogram and select the paste it here and generate any image whatever you want to it. Okay, what happened to it? Come on, no, no. Click on export option, then after that you can also select png jpg option as well as the phd okay, sorry, pdf, png transparent. If you want to do the png transparent, select this, click on download. You can see the thumbnails for 3.5 MB. You can also reduce the image. So you can also, I just show you the sample how you can make it by just adding your image. Okay, it doesn't look like a good thumbnail, but you can also make or improve it by yourself. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and follow for more videos like this. And you can also check out my merches by just going in the description link and follow. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.